So today is going to be a hair video, and I'm going to show you how I deep cleaned my locks and my scalp using a vinegar cleansing gel that I make out of 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your house right now. So stay tuned so that I can show you how I do it. All right, so when I deep clean my hair, I make a gel out of xanthan gum and vinegar and water. And pretty much what I do is I free ball this. So, well, eyeball it, not free ball. I'll probably do about a cup of vinegar, maybe half a cup. And then I top it off with some hot water. So let me get my hot water. Filled this whole cup up with some water and just added that to my vinegar. And again, you can free ball this. I keep saying free ball. Eyeball it. It doesn't matter. You make it as strong or as diluted as you want. And then the magical game player here is the xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is going to create like this gel-like texture, so it's going to apply almost like a conditioner, and then you can like massage it and add it to your hair and kind of like cleanse out the dirt. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. You only need like a teaspoon of this. All right, so I got my teaspoon of xanthan gum that I just dumped in there, and now I'm gonna turn on this blender, put the lid on, and we're gonna blend. And you're gonna see how it goes from liquidy and it's going to start thickening up like it's happening already. And here is the thickness so far. Okay, you can make it thicker by adding more xanthan gum. So you can add another teaspoon, or depending on how much liquid you have, you should be fine. But because this is a lot of liquid, I'll probably add another teaspoon to this. So I added another teaspoon of xanthan gum. All right, and here's the thickness now. Okay. All right, so now that I'm ready to use it, I'm going to pour it into an applicator bottle, and then I'm going to head over to the bathroom and start applying. So I take the cap off, and then I just start applying it to my hair and massaging it in. My hair is dry right now. Okay, you can kind of see the texture. I really focus on the scalp, but if you have a lot of product buildup, this will be good for that. It's so easy and cheap to make though, sliding down my my face. But can you like see the texture that it has as you apply it to your hair? Like you could totally just cleanse your hair with this without even needing to use shampoo. It makes your hair super soft because vinegar has a high acidity, so it helps to like balance the pH of your scalp, which should be naturally acidic. It's going to deodorize your hair, and you may have like a smell of vinegar while your hair is still wet. But once it dries, it will not smell like vinegar. But you can also shampoo your hair after you are done using this and rinsing this out. You can shampoo afterwards to help get rid of the vinegar smell. But this is what I use when I need to deep cleanse. And all I do is once this bottle is empty, I just fill it back up and I keep going. Uh-oh. Just don't burn your eyes out like I just did. But you get everything. Like this stuff works so good at getting rid of dry, like buildup. It works great for dandruff, like so many different things. And I just love how soft it makes my hair. And it just like glides like butter. It's so smooth. So I'm gonna finish doing this, and then I'm gonna come back and let you know after my whole head is saturated. All right, so my head is fully saturated, including all of my locks, okay, as you can see. And really what I do is kind of just rub my fingers together like this and kind of massage it into my locks. Ooh, they're super wet. Ooh. I keep slapping myself in the eye with my hair. But, and I kind of just like go into all the little parts in my hair, and I just like gently scratch and massage to kind of lift up any dead skin, any dandruff, stuff that just kind of lingers after you wash. And I kind of just do that all over, especially around my hairline, because I tend to get dandruff and dry skin around my hairline. So I'm gonna just make sure I get that really good. And I do this all over. And then the last step would be to rinse all of this out. And then, like I said, you can either shampoo afterwards and carry on with your normal regimen, or this could be it. Typically, you don't have to repeat this process because it does a really good job, you know, in just one take. I also, you know, tend to let this sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes as I'm working it in and massaging and scratching and gently scraping the dirt. So it is a very sufficient way to clean your scalp and your locks. So you don't have to really do this 1,000 times. But I'm gonna finish scrubbing my scalp, and then I'm gonna rinse this out and show you what my hair looks like when I'm done. All right, you guys, so I am done. I did not shampoo. I just literally rinsed out all of the I don't even know, cleansing gel that I made out of my hair and my scalp. I also had it fully saturated into my locks, so I just rinsed all of that out as well. I am clean. There are no flakes and no leftover residue. My hair feels extremely soft and smooth. There are like no remnants of flakes and stuff in my hair. You might see a few pieces of lint from my towel, but the scalp is clean. I'm trying to get closer so that you can see it. The scalp is clean. Like I said, there's no flakes. And again, I did not shampoo. My hair doesn't smell super vinegary. It actually just kind of smells nice and fresh and clean. I got tons of new growth, lots of gray hair. Oof. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp up a little bit, and then I got this little bush up here. I need to get my crochet hook out and sew this back into my lock. Might not do that today because that is very labor intensive, but I might just rock the frizzy hair today and then tame it tomorrow. But this is the finished product after you use that cleansing gel to deep cleanse your scalp and your locks. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it works for you, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.